Hey there, superstars! Today we're going to talk about something really cool called cloud storage. Have you ever wondered where your photos, games, and homework go when you save them on your computer or phone? Let's find out! Imagine you have a big toy box in your room, but what if your toy box could fly and live up in the sky? That's kind of what cloud storage is. Cloud storage is like a giant invisible box in the sky, where you can keep your stuff safely, like pictures, videos, games, and even schoolwork. When you click save on your device, your file goes through the internet and lands safely inside a big computer far away, called a server. These servers live in special buildings called data centers, kind of like giant computer hotels. So why is cloud storage so awesome? If your phone or computer breaks, don't worry. Your stuff is still safe in the cloud. You can open your files anywhere, from any device, school, home, or even grandma's house. And you don't need to carry USB sticks or memory cards anymore. Great question! Cloud companies use special locks and codes to keep your files safe from sneaky people. Just like you have a password to log in, cloud storage has super strong security to protect your stuff. Now you know what cloud storage is. It's like a magical space in the sky that keeps your files safe, sound, and easy to get anytime, anywhere. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up.